So you're an author and you want to learn how to write the M dash without copying it and pasting it. I'll admit that I was there once, but it's super easier. First, we have to go to our insert bar. We normally are in a home, we just change it to insert. We go to symbols and there's the M dash and you can insert it, but I'm going to show you an easier way. Go to more symbols, click the M dash, make sure it's the M dash and not the horizontal bar. Click the M dash, go to shortcut key. There normally the shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-Num, but I already erased it. There you can add the new one. Just click. Remember you have to use Ctrl or Alt to do the shortcut. If no, it doesn't do it. I would put Ctrl dash and you just go to assign and close. And close. Now every time you put Ctrl dash, an M dash or long dash will appear. There is a different way you can do this if you'd like to know. Just go again to symbols, more symbols, click the M dash, go to autocorrect, and there you can autocorrect whatever. You can use plain text, I like it, and put 2 normal dashes or M dashes, add, OK, and close. Now every time you put 2 M dashes or small dashes and large dash or M dash will appear. I hope you enjoyed this, but I'm also showing how to erase it. You go to more symbols, again to autocorrect. You just click it and can erase it if you don't like it anymore. Well, bye bye. Hope this helped.